Welcome to this very first video of the project. If you go to the resource section, you will find a folder with a name project 1. If you open it, then you will find another folder containing the data for this project. If you open this data folder, you will get two files. One with the name hotelbookings.csv. If I open this file, you will get our data for this project. It contains so much data and we are going to use it for our hotel booking prediction analysis in this project. Next is the file with the name data dictionary. If I open this file, then it contains the information about our data. For example, is cancelled attribute gives us information about the value indicating if the booking was cancelled or not. If the value of is cancelled is 1, that means the booking was cancelled. And if the value of is cancelled attribute is 0, that means the booking was not cancelled. So if I go to our data, here is cancelled. You can see right here, there is a is cancelled right here, and this is cancelled means that the value 0 indicates the booking was not cancelled and the value 1 indicates the booking was in fact cancelled. So we can see our data right here. You can use these two files, the first data dictionary and the actual data file, to check what each of these attributes mean. Like, what does this lead time means and what does this meal means. So you can see the value for the meals are BB and FB and so on. So if I go to the data dictionary and check what the meal means, then I can go and search here the meal, and you can see meal value means the type of the meal booked. So we can see the meal package right here. So the FB means full bread, breakfast, lunch and dinner, and the value BB means bed and breakfast. The value HB means half board, which is breakfast and one other meal. So usually using this data dictionary, we can get the information about the data. So what does that each of the attributes means? What does this value means? So you can just navigate around these files and the data dictionary to find what each of these data means.